Alright guys, another video in the Granville Island zone. I'm going to do the old Seawalk here. Island Park, Seawalk, never done it. It should take me to the Planetarium, which is the tail end of Kit's Beach. I'm hoping that I can find my way, because when I looked at the map, it's kind of staggered as to which ways to go and stuff. But hey, we'll give it a shot. Hang on. Thanks for taking a ride and a walk with Tom. Right, here we go. I'm gonna get out of the way of the bikes. Can't run over people, man. Stop giving me the evil eye, zombies. Goodness, I might have to go ex-soldier on you. Like I said, you do not believe some of the reactions in Vancouver, home of most of the weirdos in West, where the weirdos can roam at peace, and they think I'm the weirdo because I got a hat and filming a video. It boggles the mind. Look at that old boat, pirate boat.
It's so big.
Right beside a super class yacht. Again, remember the decks? He's standing up there chatting people up. Locals and tourists alike. Morning, young man.
Morning.
Boy, it was hard getting the hello out of him. Zombies. No helmet. Oh yeah, remember those lagoons I was talking about? Look at this. And these places are not cheap, but they're under $1 million. Man, right in the front deck, any of those places. Look at that. Sit on there. You've got a water noise in the background to help you sleep at night. Nobody's walking by, peeking in. Perfect. Oh, I don't know. Help me out, guys. I just saw you. Oh yeah, it's a lovely spot. What do they say? Live, work, play. Right here. Guy going out for a ride. Wow. You even got your own mini lawn to take a nap on. Holy cow. Oh man. I don't know what it is. I guess when you've never owned a place, you're just fascinated with what it's like to live in a certain spot, what the neighbors are like. Oh yeah, another duck pond. Joan lily pads too. I don't know if there's any frogs in there. Huge lily pads. So yeah, this is the one time I wouldn't mind a pad on the bottom, because nobody can walk by and stick their nose in your business. You got the water right there. I'd even put a little mini boat in there. Oh yeah. We'll see where we go here. Just because of where it is, I wouldn't even mind taking one of these. Oh, they look like they're 3-level townhomes. There you go. 3 decks.
For bike lanes now.
And even though you can get your car in there, there's not a lot of traffic. It's pretty well the people that live here, and that's it. I don't think most of them use that too much. Yeah, residents only. So you're not going to get too much of a headache in that zone. Wow, yeah, first time for me, guys. I've come this far, but I haven't gone straight through. I walked up to catch a bus or something. Wow. I've admired these decks for years. They've been here since the 70s, 80s. They're huge. Right on the other side is the Burrard Street Bridge. You got a view of the island. downtown. There's probably some rec facilities in there. Ay, ay, ay. Like I said, I can do the butler job too, guys. If you know anybody looking for a butler, an estate manager in Vancouver, while they're busy hanging out in Tuscany, I'm your man. I'll make sure the staff is doing their job. Nice and shaded. Yeah, what a place to run. Never seen that. Wow. This video channel's opened up a whole bunch of stuff for me, and I like it. Plentyofbabes.com. Dog's over there taking a nap. He's already cooked. Move over, buddy. Walk with Tom was going to be nap with Tom. Oh, that's where we came from, guys. See bridges there, the old big yellow building. Yikes. So cool. Well, I did take a little bit of a detour. Hopefully I don't get messed up. So I'm trying to go under the bridge there and pop out by the Planetarium. I'll ask this guy. Excuse me, if I keep going, can I get through to the Planetarium?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Like down here?
Yeah, all the way down there, yeah.
Beautiful. Never been. Been in Vancouver since like '69. Ever since I started doing a video channel, I've been exploring places I've never been to. Crazy, right?
So you just go around the beach here, down the bottom, and around here.
Okay, thank you, brother. Good man. I think he's a Kiwi or something, Aussie. Oh, there's tons of transplants here. And you can see why. A lot of people coming here to work. Why not? Oh, what do we got here, guys? Am I getting to get back alley stuck here? Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and go down the shaded side of the road. I think that's a better idea. There might be some stuff I want to peek at there. Plenty of time. Yeah, it's a little easier to get disoriented in a beautiful spot. It doesn't bother you so much. It's not like going through a bad neighborhood and getting lost. This is actually fun getting lost, because you might see something you weren't looking for. That's cool. Like, I didn't know this little park was here. And what a beautiful spot, guys. Yeah, if you got short time, like I said in the Granville Island video, you definitely want to check out Granville Island. And this is right connected to it. Yeah, you could do a Kitts Beach walk. Start at Kitts Beach, walk right through if you've got the gears, right to Granville Island for lunch, dinner, whatever. Oh. Wow. 1450 Creekside Drive. I'm gonna remember that address. Hi, young lady. Nice smile. Man, I need to see more of that, guys. In the zone. Nah, okay. I don't want a condo on the backside. Unless you like staring at the bush, which people do. You get the old I'm in the country effect. And quiet. Them trees block a bunch of noise on the bridge. My feet are starting to ache. Wow. Cool. The boat walk, there's an old totem. Look at that. That must have been there a while because he's looking pretty worn out. Guys, you got to fix that up. Come on, man. Cutie pies. Now, I think that just goes down and does a loop right back out here. So I ain't going to take a peek at that. Getting too hot. Cultural Harmony Grove. Oh, there's another place for a picnic. I mean, nobody's here. Watch the boats go by and eat. Take a nap. Wow. Now I know what's down here. Been over the Broad Street Bridge 1,000, 10,000 times. It never came down. Bizarre. Boat launch. It's right under the bridge. Sweet. Oh, bathroom, wait a minute. Yeah, there's not enough for those in Vancouver. People have been saying that for I don't know how long. And they just don't listen. I mean, you got a major world-class tourist city. You need to have those things all over the place. For us locals, too. I would definitely do that, too. I'd get a map of the bathrooms coming here. Because there's some zones where they're really hard to find. Boy, people, you live in one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Smile. I'm smiling and I'm dead broke and medicated. Now, I gotta figure out which way to go. Oh! Maybe I'll just keep going. 1K. What, to the bathroom? Yikes. I don't know, guys. What should I do? I think I'll keep going. Should be able to cut up in front of the planetarium. Yeah, it's definitely worth a peek, guys. It's a boater's paradise today. Traffic jam on the water. Possibility. English, the West End down over there. Yeah, that's my first walk, guys. I went from Broad Bridge, or one of them, second big walk, yeah. Broad Bridge over to the West End down Denman. That was nice. I didn't have a microphone then, so I didn't say anything. I didn't know my phone mic would have picked it up, but those are two of my most popular ones so far. Maybe they don't like my yip yapping. But yeah, that Seawalk. There's so many nice Seawalks. I don't think you ever get tired of doing them because of what you see. Like if you're going to do walking for exercise, that's the way to go. You always got somewhere to stop, people to chat up, beach, and of course coffee, buddy. Couple of Quebecers sitting there on their phones. Cutie pie. The very rare cutie pie smile. Okay, I've been here, so I'm going to shut this down as soon as I get up to the point and make my way back into town. I might even have a coffee in Kits. Yeah, people think I'm crazy drinking hot coffee on days like this, but man, that's the only thing I drink, guys. Coffee and water, the occasional pop from my guts. But other than that, that's good enough. I'm tempted to jump in that water. I usually don't like swimming in the ocean, but today I might make an exception. There's the old Planetarium. Went through there on my Kits Beach walk, guys. Check that one out. Yeah, we're coming up on where I stopped, Kits Beach, and took a turn into the old Planetarium. There's that little island. There's some nice benches on there too. That little mini peninsula sticking out there. Oh, paradise. Can't beat Vancouver on a sunny day, guys. Come to town, hit me up, have a coffee, have a chat. Tell you what I know. But thanks for walking, guys. That was my virgin walk down the Island Park Seaway, Granville Island, back into Kits by the Planetarium. A shot of English Bay downtown there. Thanks for walking with me. I appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help this channel, guys. Check the links below. I got some world-class organic home products, CBD, etc. Thank you very much.